How to change your direct-to-film dampers. Start with unlocking the film roller clamps. Place a piece of paper towel on the flatbed. Lock the film roller clamps to hold the paper towel in place. This will help prevent any mess, as well as help protect your print head. Using the control panel, move the head over to the left. While moving the head over, make sure your paper towel is flush so that the print head can pass over. Turn the power off. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the print head cover. You're now ready to remove a damper. Starting on the left side, pull up and pull the damper off the print head while removing the dampers. Try not to touch the clear sides. This will reduce any mess and help reduce the risk of getting ink on the data cables. Keeping the data cables clean is important. Getting ink on the cables can result in short-circuiting your print head. We are now going to crimp the ink line to help reduce any ink coming out. On the top of the damper, bend the ink line and use a zip tie to hold the line. Carefully twist and pull the ink line off the top of the damper. You may need to pry the tubing with a sharp tool. If you need to cut the tubing, you can use an adapter to extend and add more tubing. Get your new damper. Connect the previously disconnected ink line to the top of your new damper and place it back in its correct slot. Be sure to remove the zip tie once the damper is in place. Repeat this process for each damper that needs replacing. Thanks for watching.